How much time do you waste every day typing the same text over and over? Email signatures, addresses, code snippets, URLs, customer replies, you copy-paste them dozens of times a day. What if there was a smarter way? Meet Snippet Manager Pro, your personal text library that puts every snippet at your fingertips instantly. Snippet Manager Pro is a professional text snippet manager for Windows. It sits quietly on your desktop and gives you instant access to all your saved text, addresses, email templates, code blocks, URLs, phone numbers, anything you type often. With one click or a quick keyboard shortcut, your snippet is instantly pasted into any application. No more searching through old emails or documents. Here's the magic. Press Ctrl twice, Ctrl, from anywhere on your computer, and Snippet Manager Pro instantly appears. You're working in Chrome? Press Ctrl. Writing an email in Outlook? Press Ctrl. Coding in VS Code? Press Ctrl. Your snippets are always just 2 keystrokes away. And after you paste, the window automatically hides, zero interruption to your workflow. Using a snippet couldn't be easier. Just click on any snippet in your list, and it's instantly copied to your clipboard and pasted into your active application. You don't even need to switch windows or press Ctrl+V, Snippet Manager Pro does it all for you. It's like having a personal assistant that types for you. Adding new snippets is just as easy. Click the plus button and type your text, that's it. But here's a pro tip. You can also type directly in the search box and save from there. No extra dialogues, no wasted time. Your snippets are stored locally on your machine, so they're always available, even offline. Got hundreds of snippets? No problem. The instant search filters your list as you type, live, in real time. You can also organize your snippets with hashtag style tags. Add tags like #work, #email, #code to any snippet, and then search by tag to filter instantly. When your search finds just one matching result, it's automatically selected, saving you another click. Visual organization is built right in. Assign custom colors to any snippet using the built-in color picker, so you can instantly spot your most important items. Mark frequently used snippets as favorites with a star icon, and filter your list to show favorites only. You can also track recently used snippets to quickly find what you just pasted. Take full control of how your snippets are organized. Choose from 5+ sorting options: alphabetical, recently added, oldest first, manual order, or recently used. You can also filter just your favorites. And for manual ordering, simply drag and drop snippets to arrange them exactly how you want. Your custom order is saved automatically. Managing large snippet collections is a breeze. Hold Ctrl and click to select multiple snippets at once. Then right-click for bulk actions, delete several at once, hide them, or show them. No more tedious one-by-one management. This is one of the most requested features, password-protected hidden snippets. Got sensitive information like passwords, API keys, or personal data? Right-click any snippet and choose Hide. It disappears from your main list. To see your hidden snippets, click Show Hidden and enter your password, protected with SHA-256 encryption. Nobody can see your private snippets without the password, even if they open your app. You set up your password on first use, and you can change it anytime through settings. Snippet Manager Pro goes beyond text. Save links to files, folders, websites, zip archives, photos, or even applications, then simply double-click any link snippet to open it instantly. Your entire digital workspace, accessible from one place, on screen. Save a folder path, double-click, folder opens. Then a URL browser opens. Then an image default photo viewer opens. Need to fill multiple fields in sequence? Use pin to desktop mode. The window stays on screen and remains active, letting you paste your customer name, then customer bank code, then account number one after another without the window disappearing between clicks. Perfect for login forms, bank transfers or adding beneficiaries to bank, and repetitive data entry. Run multiple instances of Snippet Manager Pro simultaneously, each with its own snippet list. Simply copy the app to a different folder, launch it, and rename the title to identify it, Work Snippets, Personal, or Client ABC. Each instance operates independently, giving you organized, dedicated snippet lists for every purpose. Set a custom window title so you can identify your snippet manager instantly in the taskbar, perfect if you run multiple instances for different projects. The right-click context menu gives you quick access to everything: edit, delete, hide, change color, copy, and more. Everything at your fingertips. Snippet Manager Pro comes with a generous 14-day free trial, full access to every feature, no credit card required. If you love it, and you will, choose from affordable pricing plans. Monthly at just 99 rupees, that's about $1.19. Yearly at 799 rupees, save 33%. Or go lifetime at 1499 rupees, one payment, yours forever. Your license is powered by Google Firebase Cloud. It activates automatically after purchase. Just install, open, and you're ready to go. Payments are processed securely through Razorpay, India's most trusted payment gateway. UPI, cards, and net banking are all supported. Your data is always in your control. Export your entire snippet library to a JSON file for safekeeping. Your snippets are stored locally on your machine, and the status bar always shows you exactly how many snippets you have and your license status. Need help? Snippet Manager Pro has built-in support. Access the About dialog for system info, copy your machine ID with one click for support requests, or click the support email to reach us directly. Our website and email links are clickable right inside the app. Stop wasting time on repetitive typing. Snippet Manager Pro saves you hours every day with instant text snippets at your fingertips. Download your free 14-day trial right now, no credit card, no commitments. Visit Snippet Manager Pro 2025.web.app. Snippet Manager Pro, type less, do more.